This is TAM 114 from Texas A&M University. Maturity is medium and final height was 43 inch in Wilbarger County. This can be shorter than 43 inch depending on the soil moisture condition. We observed 36 inch of final height in Ford County. TAM 114 has a very strong disease package including moderately resistant to leaf rust, resistant to stripe rust, resistant to stem rust. We did not observe leaf rust this year because of the low disease pressure, but the stripe rust rating we took on April 22nd was 0 out of 5, meaning that all the flag leaves I observed from the plots were very clean. Forage yield was 108% of test average or 2,080 pounds per acre, while grain yield was 83% of test average or 33 bushel per acre. So that's below average grain yield after clipping. And this was true in last season, 2018-19 growing season as well. We observed above average forage yield and below average grain yield from TAM 114. So if we use TAM 114 in dual purpose system, expect to have a little higher forage yield, but the grain yield might be reduced. Due to the strong disease package and high forage yield potential, I kept this as our watch list.